Hey everyone, it's me Paul with United Bumper Repair. Today we're going to be doing a repair on this 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. It's an Arctic White. It got bumped down here. It kind of reshaped the urethane. I'm going to have to shape that back again to get that back flat, and then I'm going to blend the color up, the clear coat to probably about here and then out to here. So let's hope this repair time takes about maybe 3 to 4 hours to complete. So let's get started. Okay, I got the corner taped up and just kind of pointing out, instead of removing this piece here and risk breaking clips and all, just taped up everything tight and rolled the tape way up underneath, really tight. And then when I go to scuff inside and paint and the clear coat goes in, everything's locked in as if we removed all these pieces. Okay, got everything shaped up very nice. I'm gonna throw a couple of coats of primer on. I'm going to be using a white primer. It's a white car. Kind of tricky sometimes because I got to know when to stop, and it's not a contrasting color like a gray primer. Okay, got the colors mixed on my scale, and it's primarily white. I'll zoom in here. White with a good amount of black, and then one drop here, it looks like black, is green, and another one's like 0.1 gram of yellow. So it's got 4 colors total that make up the color Arctic White on this Corvette, and again, that paint code is 9567. Okay, here I'm using a like an alcohol-based prep saw. Removes any type of Almirall tire shine, anything like that. And the next step, we're going to be painting. Okay, I got my my areas marked out where I'm going to be shooting the white. I'm going to blend that color up and then bring the clear coat up to here, and then blend the blending clear up here. Remove this and buff that off. Same thing down here. And if you want to bring it in a little bit closer here, we've got a sharp body line right in here, right behind that yellow, in front of the yellow tape, this line here. And I have this folded edge tape here. Folded that edge so it doesn't stick on its edge, and then I'm going to stick this here on that line, and this end acts like a little flapper here. So when I go to clear coat and then remove it, you don't have such a sharp line, you don't feel it too much. Okay, I'm going to throw a couple of coats of base coat on, and then after that, it's going to be the clear coat. All right, it's clear coat time. clear coat is on, and I'm still gonna work with the clear a little bit. It looks like the reflection came out very nice. Maybe see the paver stone or the air hose and the reflection as I go up and down. I'm still gonna skim it down a bit to get it really flat, because they may put a PPF film on it, and I want that texture super flat, so when they go to apply it, it'll lay out very flat as well. Alright, got a cool car and got a cool dog. What's up, dog? Is this your ride? No? Okay, all done. This repair took about 4 hours to complete here at the client's home. Did the repair down here, blended the color up, blended the clear. Didn't have to shoot the entire bumper. The owner of the vehicle has a little bit of money left over to spend on something else. Also, no Carfax vehicle history report. It is just a cosmetic repair with a lifetime warranty. So, if you have any questions on this type of repair or anything else with paint, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.